Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Pete and I are on our way to Lincoln, California because we're going to eat at a place called Rockstar Pizza. Now, what's interesting about Rockstar Pizza, you ask? Well, let me tell you, we looked at the menu yesterday. We're meeting my sister for lunch and she likes it there. And they got some wild pizzas. In fact, some very controversial pizzas. So we're going to have them. One of them, of course, has pineapple, of course, but it also has coconut and macadamia nuts. I'm surprised it doesn't have powdered sugar on it. In any case, we're probably going to try that one just to see if we like it. And there's another one that is sort of a Bangkok pizza with peanut sauce and stuff like that. Now, in my opinion, there's a point where something crosses over from pizza land into something else land. We're going to see if they're still carrying off the pizza thing. You know, obviously, you know, if you put cheese and red sauce on a pizza crust, you got a pizza, but some of these I would not even have cheese on. It would be too weird, like the Bangkok one. Anyway, we're going to give you pictures. We're going to taste them. We're going to let you know what we think. Hey guys, so we decided to go really nuts here, and we got the Blue Hawaii, which has pineapple, yes, and coconut and nuts and all kinds of yummy stuff on it. And the other one is Texas Blue. It's got steak and all kinds of goodies on it. So barbecue sauce too. Take that. Anyway, we're going to eat these and then we're going to give you a little idea of how we like them afterwards. Okay, guys, so here's the wrap up on the pizza. Okay, so I wasn't big thrilled with the barbecue tri-tip pizza. It wasn't my favorite. And the onions, not liking them. But I have to say I was pleasantly surprised and I actually really liked the pineapple pizza. As far as I'm concerned, that's the clear winner. The one with coconut and macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts on pizza, I'm sorry, is great. Now, of course, as we discussed earlier, there is a point where pizza crosses from being pizza into being something else. So if pineapple on pizza bugs you, just say it's not pizza. It's a bread disc with stuff on top. Just call it that and enjoy it. So there you go, guys. Rockstar Pizza in Lincoln, California, and go and enjoy. You're going to love it.